Okay, so here we are. We are now up on the top deck. And there's Tiger down there. Way down there, that little green spot on his yoga mat. And we're going to feed I give this peanut mixture and bluebird nuggets. I'm not supposed to do that. I keep wanting to do the vertical. This is the other squirrel buster feeder that actually works. I put peanuts in it for the woodpeckers and other birds that like peanuts other than seeds. And, okay, I'm going to do that. I'm not going to turn it off. I'm just going to let you guys look at the trees and listen to the birds while I put the seed in this feeder. Top off. Okay, I'm going to put the nuts in. Alright, then, Tiger's on the move. Okay, then we toss some of the bluebird nuggets around, although bluebirds eat them. Put some on the railings here. And we go down to this end of the porch. There's the mimosa tree, which is, you can see some blooms. There's some more blooms over here. There's a bloom up close. We'll sniff it. It smells so good. Kind of smells like a piece of fruit. So we put a few little bit of birdseed here for those who are a little shy and like to come up here. And some more bluebird nuggets. Tiger's now down on the mole hole, I think. So we just toss these around. The blue jays come up and get them. And the bird feeder's full. And the sun is out. The crows are cawing. The blue jays are wanting me to go in so they can eat. And that's my morning routine.